Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I just want to tell you guys how you can know if your iPhone battery is going bad. This is an iPhone 6 Plus and just want to let you guys know I've been really experiencing some issues with this phone, so it's just based on experience that I'm speaking here. You can actually know when your iPhone battery is going bad. One of the problems that I experienced with this iPhone is that it would take a very long time to charge. Even on a dead battery, it will take a whole hour to charge up to like 4%. So that's how you can know if your iPhone battery is going bad. Also, just want to let you guys know as well that when your battery is going bad, you can find that the percentage is going backwards. So that's something that I experience as well. The charge is going backwards. So what I did, I use aftermarket charger to charge my iPhone. In so doing, I realized that the charger is damaged while charging the iPhone. So I have to go again and use another one. So what I am saying, guys, those are signs that you can see and know when your battery is going bad. I've been trying to charge this battery and it is not charging above 65%. It is stopping at 65% like when the battery is full. So as you can see here, last charge level 7 minutes ago. Yeah, you can see it at 59%. But as I am telling you guys, with this battery, the highest I could have get this charge to was 65%, right? And you can actually see the charge pattern there. You can see the battery level there. You can see it is just above 50% in the past days or so. You can see that we did not get a full charge, so you can actually see it there, the battery level. Yeah, and it will actually show us 24 hours. I have been trying to charge it, yeah, in the last 24 hours, yes, and I've been trying to get the battery above 65%, and I was not able to. The charger will just stop, and if I use the original charger, the charge will go backwards. So I haven't been able to get the charge over 65%. And also we have some information here. It is actually showing us the maximum capacity. That's something that we can see here, the maximum capacity, and also your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance as well. So when your battery at this state, you have to try your very best to keep your battery above at least 15%, 15 to 20% to maintain the battery cells. So guys, this is what I am saying with this phone. I actually experience that the charge is going backwards and it is stopped charging using the aftermarket charger that I have here. So I decided to use a different charger and it is charging. As some persons will say with iPhone, normally having an iPhone you have to buy chargers often or USB cable. So guys, what I'm saying is that I am going to go and give this some charge, and I'm going to see if I could possibly get it over 65%. But I have already tried the original charger and it is not going over 65%. It is like sucking the battery. It is going backwards, guys. So this is when you can know that your iPhone battery is going bad, and just putting this information out there. So guys, my name is Lens and I hope that this was helpful to you. And what I am going to do, I am going to just give it some charge and see if I can get the percentage up a bit. So just letting you know that when your battery is going bad, it will take longer to charge. Longer, a very long time. And on a dead battery, trust me, you don't want to be at that position, but try avoid it by all costs. My name is Lenz and hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. I'm out.